this? Oh my gosh, look at these frames. Woo, that is nice. Well, they're all nice. Anyway, what I want is this table here. What is that? Yeah. But I'm gonna take this. Looks like aluminum. It is. Good to be open. Okay, out of here. Oh my God. Hey. Not bad at all. They're both in excellent shape. The lampshades are worth more money than anything. I think I just scrapped one of these. Yeah, it's a little heater. Got a aluminum core. Got here before he did. Why? Well, what do we got here? Well, it's a little bit of scrap. First time out in the truck, making money already. Taking this thing apart because it's made out of aluminum. And once I get that, the legs off, look at this, it's all aluminum. And then I'm going to take the top off. This was glass at one point, and this guy put this fancy top on here. So didn't hold up very well. Imagine you buy an expensive table like this. It's got a glass top on it. Like, really? That's not gonna last. Lucky I got a burning pile. Oh, it's coming apart on me. this and some of the stuff I got on the side of the garage, I'm probably going to take a small load down tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Better run some stuff down to the scrapper. Look at this, it says platinum on it. Wow, I got 20 pounds of platinum. This must be worth $500,000. I can't believe it. Well, anyway, this other stuff's worth nothing. Here's some aluminum, clean. Here's some aluminum cans and some aluminum harder metal. And here's some steel. And over here, there's a little more steel and a very little bit of yellow brass and a transformer in there. And I have some yellow brass in here. That's copper. Looks like the cameraman grabbed that. Okay, here's a motor. Here. And here's some just general breakage. This doesn't hit on my magnets, so I'm going to see if they give me a little more for that. And then a bunch of copper wire, a lot of it. And then I'm going to a yard. I'm going to see if they're going to give me anything for stainless steel. If not, I'm going to bring it back. Okay. Show you the money, $34.30. Now, iron is up to $120 a ton. Just thought I'd show you that. But let me tell you one thing I didn't do. That stuff that said platinum on it, that guy only wanted to give me 10 cents a pound for it. And I'm just going to take it to another yard where I get double that, maybe even 50 cents a pound for it. But anyway, I still got 20 bucks coming from that. Okay, thanks a lot for watching, guys.